Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to auto scroll on TikTok. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your iPhone. Then you want to go and click on settings. Then you want to scroll down till you find here accessibility, navigate to it, and you want to go and scroll down till you get here to this section, physical and motor. Go and select voice control, then enable the first option as you can see. After that, after enabling this option, go and click on customize commands. Then you want to go and search for create new command, simply click on it. And you want to go and click on phrase. You want to type next, just like so. Then you want to click on save. And after that, you want to go and click on action. And after you go to action, click on run custom gesture. Then you want to go and swipe up in this section, just like so. Then you want to go and hit the save button on the top right side. And now you want to go and click on save on the top right side. Then go back, go to applications, then choose TikTok or whatever application that you want to do this action on. And now let me open TikTok. Then I will say next and it will do swipe up. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.